In the heart of southern Africa, a land once dismissed as barren and poor rose to become one of Africa's brightest success stories. At its center was one man, visionary, courageous, and deeply principled, Sir Seretse Khama, the founding father of Botswana, born on July 1, 1921, into the royal family of the Bemangwitu people. Seretse Khama was destined to lead, but his path to leadership was not paved with ease. Educated in South Africa and later in Britain, Seretse was a man of both tradition and modern thinking. While studying in London, Seretse fell in love with Ruth Williams, a white English woman. Their marriage in 1948 shocked both the British government and apartheid South Africa. But love and conviction would not be silenced. Despite exile and political pressure, Seretse and Ruth stood firm, symbols of unity against racism and colonial control. Banned from his homeland, Seretse's exile only strengthened his resolve. He returned in 1956 to lead his people, not with anger, but with vision. He championed democracy, education, and justice, guiding Botswana toward independence from British rule. In 1966, as Botswana's first president, Seretse Khama built the foundation of one of Africa's most stable democracies. Under his leadership, the discovery of diamonds became a blessing, not a curse. He ensured that the nation's wealth served its people, building schools, hospitals, and roads. Sir Seretse Khama's legacy endures, not only in his nation's prosperity, but in the spirit of integrity and unity he instilled. A man who faced prejudice with grace, a leader who turned challenges into triumphs, a symbol of African pride and progress. A nation without a past is a lost nation, and a people without a past are a people without a soul. A Sir Seretse Khama from royal exile to national hero. Seretse Khama proved that true leadership begins with love, courage, and vision.